In this lesson we're going to cover columns. If you select the column icon from the menu, over on the right hand side in our catalog area you will have your columns. Now basically if I just go into a column, let's say this 90 by 90 timber post, and I right click and go to edit, we can then see what the column looks like. You can have a rectangular, hollow, W shape, circle, all the different steel sections and all those sorts of things. So you can create many types of columns. Just fill in the parameters. We want a 90 by 90. The appearance, selecting the color or the image that you want attached to the column, and whether you're going to take the quantities off on the column. There's nothing too hard about columns. The hardest thing basically, if I put a point, just a column on the floor there, right click and finish, and just go in closer to it, you'll notice if I touch it and go in closer, the blue point, that's the insertion point. The little triangle allows you to rotate it. So if I grab that little triangle and hold down on my mouse, I can then just turn it around where I want to. If I want it straight, just make sure your ortho is on down the bottom right hand corner, turn the ortho on, and then rotate it and it'll just go at 90 degrees. Okay. Now, saying that, if I wanted that column, and I know the insertion point now is the middle point of it, I can't really move that from there to a point over here that I don't know. I do know this end point here, so I could actually go right click and move it, and I want to go from the end point of there to the end point of there, so I can actually do that. But in actual fact, as we know, the pitching point is in line with the timber wall of my veneer. So if I draw a line down there and a line across here, it's sort of giving me a point in here somewhere, approximately 150 in from each side. So how do I position that post? Well, basically the easiest way is to actually touch the wall and drag that wall down to here, and touch this wall and drag that across to here. That temporarily puts walls in there that I can then go and grab the 90 by 90 timber posts, and the center point of the post will snap to the midpoint of the wall. Now that really should be spot on or close enough for you to have the post where you want it. Then touch those walls that you extended temporarily and then just delete them. That gives you your post in the right position. Alright, so if we just go and have a look, we can place a camera. Just put a camera out here somewhere and look straight on. There's our post on our concrete slab looking in through the front door. Okay, now it is that simple. If you got any questions, please let me know. Thank you.